my name is Brynn and I'm leaving for Orlando tomorrow for the Disney College program. I just wanted to show you my packing list and how we're packing everything and what this whole trip is like for us. When some people do the Disney College program, they do it for about 3 months, but my program will be 7 months, and I'm also gonna have my own room. So I will be in a 4x4 room layout, so that just means I have my own bedroom and my own bathroom. And I'm just letting you know right now that I feel like I'm bringing a lot more than the average person. So my parents are helping me move in and they're also helping me pack, and they've been saying it's better to take more than you think you actually need, because once all 3 of us get there, if I decide then I don't need this or I don't need that, I can send it back home with them and just keep what I want to. What some people do for packing is they just only bring the essentials, and then when they get there they buy everything. But not me. We're just taking everything and moving it. So since we're flying, we have to pack everything into suitcases, so I'll show you all the suitcases we packed, but first I want to show you my packing list. So this is my packing checklist, and I started making this like as soon as I got accepted. I looked up a lot of other people's packing checklists to see what they're bringing. But you know, I've lived in a dorm before, so I have a pretty good idea of like what I need to bring to live on my own and with roommates. So anyways, let's go through this. So on my packing checklist, I divided it up into little categories. So I have my documents, important things, electronics, art, bathroom stuff, bedroom stuff, clothes, kitchen stuff, and park things. I'm just gonna go through this really fast to give you any ideas if you're making a packing list. So for documents, I would just make sure you have all your I-9 documents printed out or on your phone somewhere. And if you're flying, like, just make sure you have your passport, your driver's license, and all the important stuff. For electronics, I'm bringing my iPhone, the chargers for that, my tripods because I like to film, MacBook, those chargers, my hard drive, my switch, surge protectors, portable batteries, and just some other important things. I'm also bringing a lot of art supplies because I really love art, just things to keep me entertained on my days off. Everything on my bathroom list is just things that I use to get ready in the morning. That can be face cleaner, makeup, hair care stuff, a robe if you have a period, you know, pads and tampons, that kind of thing, first aid. For bedroom stuff, of course, I have like bed sheets and blankets and pillows, and then everything else on this list is just decoration and hangers. So that's really up to you how much you want to bring for decor. Again, you can always just buy it when you get there. For kitchen things, this is also just kind of up to you about what you want to bring, because when you get there, Flamingo Crossings will give the entire apartment 4 cups, 4 knives, and some other stuff. So basically, they're gonna give you like 1 cup and 1 fork. So I highly recommend, you know, bringing your own utensils, bringing some reusable water bottles, maybe some mugs. I've also heard people say if you want to bring a lunchbox to work, get a lunchbox, get a thermos, Tupperware, all those things. And then I have park stuff, which applies to just me going to the parks for fun and for work. So I've heard a lot of people say, bring a work backpack, bring a park backpack, sunscreen, hand sanitizer, sunglasses, all the stuff you'll need for your job or just visiting the parks. And then the last thing I have on my list is clothes, which I will not be going through because that list is super detailed. But I will tell you I'm bringing around 5 sweatshirts, 20 tops, that's including tanks and t-shirts, 5 different pairs of shorts, and 8 different types of shoes. And then of course, you know, I have like my rain jackets, my bathing suits, socks, undergarments, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, hopefully that gave you some ideas if you're making your own packing list. So since we're flying to Orlando, my mom had to help me pack everything we have into suitcases. And we came to a lot of suitcases. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how many suitcases we packed so far. And keep in mind, in addition to these, my mom has a carry-on, my dad has a carry-on, I have a carry-on, and my backpack. Okay, let's go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So tonight we're just gonna double check everything and make sure we're ready to leave tomorrow. Something I'm not excited for is to say goodbye to this house. While I'm gonna be in Orlando for the Disney College program, my parents are gonna move into a new house. And this house has been my childhood home since I was 3 years old. And I'm 20 now. Once I come back, we're gonna be in the new home. So that's why tomorrow is my last day being in this house before we leave. Okay, I came back inside because there was a bee trying to attack me. I think today I just really need to sit in each room of the house and just really take it in, you know? It's gonna be weird. I think this is all I'm gonna film for today, so I'll see you tomorrow. It's 7 a.m. right now, and my dad had to spend the night at his work, which is a hospital, because he works on call sometimes and he has to do that. But anyways, we're just waiting for him to get home, and then we're gonna leave. Which is weird because this is the last time I'll be in this house. And I'm so excited to leave, but I'm so sad. I was so sad to leave my friends, and eventually I'm gonna have to say goodbye to my parents, and now I have to say goodbye to this freaking house that I've lived in for 17 years. So after I do that, we're gonna gather all the luggage up and leave for the airport. Are you guys ready?
Sure.
This car is packed.
Oh my gosh. I hope so. I got my carry-on in my backpack.
We're at the airport. Okay.
I don't know.
We're about to board the plane.
Ready to go.
Welcome on
Hi.
everybody. This is
Hi.
We're about to leave.
Please come on in.
Did you tell them we're in Dallas?
We're in Dallas now, going to Orlando. Now, picking up our bags. Good evening, Camille. Time to relax. All right, we're here. We're in our hotel.
Hey, have you ever been in a hotel room? They have a walk-in closet.
What?
Hey!
Oh,
I mean, that's,
nice.
well, I mean, for just a.
After 10 hours of being on a plane and in the airport, we are done and we are here. Okay, so we've been at the airport and being on a plane and flying, doing all that stuff for like 10 hours straight, and we're finally at our hotel. So we're unpacking, and I think we're about to go get dinner, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom and Hollywood Studios, and then Sunday we're gonna go to Epcot, and then Monday is check-in day. So that is it from me. Bye. All right, I'll see you on check-in day.